Hello and welcome students. Today we will study computer second chapter, that is more on MS Windows 7. In this chapter we will discuss about the component of MS Windows, how to move and resize window, open the control panel, change Windows appearance, how to customize taskbar, and how to do work with time and date configuration, and how to configure the mouse setting. Students, as you have already read about MS Windows operating system, we will discuss the components of MS Windows. So you can see this one. This one is your address bar. As the name indicates, address bar displays the address of the currently open window. Now the next one, this one is your menu control bar. This bar comprises of different menus and icons. This one is your minimize button. As the name again indicates, minimize button minimize or shrink the open window. The next one is your maximize button. Maximize button is the button used to increase the size of a window to its maximum. The last one button, this one in this line, is close button. The button is used to close an open window. Here you can see back button and forward button. Back button is used to view folders step by step backwards, whereas this forward button is used to return back to the current open window or current open folder. You can see there is a bar known as scroll bar. So there are two types of scroll bars. This one is your vertical scroll bar. This bar appears if the text or a document in a window is longer or larger than the display area. So we have only vertical scroll bar. Now you can see one more bar is appear here. This is your status bar. This bar is placed at the lower end of a window. This is your lower end. It shows information about the status of a file or a folder, including date of creation, its modification, etc. Suppose there are, if you count the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So there are 20 folders or 20 icons on this open window. So these 20 items are written in this status bar. Here you can see 20 items are written. Now our next topic is how to move and resize a window. For this you have to go on the upper left corner of the window. If you are moving a window, you have to go on the upper left corner of the window. In this picture you can see you have to go on the upper left corner of the window. You have to click on move option. Use arrow keys to move the window to the next place. Press enter key. These are the steps for moving a window. If you want to resize a window, you have to go and click on the size option. Use arrow keys to resize the window to the required size. Again, press enter key and complete the task. Now our next topic is control panel. How to open a control panel. First we have to discuss about the control panel. The control panel allows users to view and change basic system settings and controls, such as adding hardware or adding and removing software, controlling users' account and changing accessibility options. The control panel has special tools which can change the way window look or behaves. To open a control panel, we have to go on the start menu, start button, then click on control panel. This type of window will appear. We can see category option, category view. So there are large icons and small icon view. If we click on category, these type of windows will appear on your screen. This window is for large icon view and the other one is for small icon. You can see so many icons are visible in this small icon, and this one is for large icon. So you can see there is a scroll bar. If we scroll this scroll bar downwards in the downwards position, we can see more icons on the screen. Students, that's it for today. I hope it will help you to understand the chapter. We will continue on the next turn.